Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can choose cash pickup in the delivery method. For that just you have to go and you have to open your Ria account. Here on the screen you can see my account. So all you have to do is you have to go to send. Sending money has some process. First you have to select the country, then you have to enter here the amount you want to send. Here you can also see the exchange rate, then the payment method and delivery method. I will not go in that much deep here. After writing the country and the amount, here you have to select the payment method. You can select from these payment method, and here the main game changer come. Now here you have this delivery methods. Here you have this cash pickup and bank. Here in the cash pickup, the recipient goes to a desired agent location to physically collect the cash, and the sender provides the recipient with a reference or a transaction number which the receiver presents along with a valid ID to collect the funds. And here is very fast method and it does not require the recipient to have a bank account. In bank to bank transfer, the money is transferred directly from the sender's bank to the recipient's bank account. Now here just go and click on continue. Now here you have to add a recipient. Here you can choose yourself or you can choose here someone else. Now here you have to provide all this information. After adding all this information, you can go and you can click on continue. Here you have to provide the bank and the bank account number of the third party person whom you are sending the money and from where your recipient will receive the money. And that was basically all about how you can choose cash pickup for delivering money. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.